Okay, hello. Another video here. Back with my brand new old fan heater. I forgot about the microphone. Well, I hope the sound will be okay. Camera's not too far though. What I want to do now is I want to do the very stupid thing of bending these blades again, because even though it heats up the room, the airspeed coming out of it is just, it's barely blowing, no pun intended. It's a lot more like convection really than just, you don't even feel it on your hands. I mean, it's like 5 inches apart, and the hot air is already on top of it, so it's not really blowing too strong. I know that this will destabilize it and make it vibrate a lot, and it's gonna be difficult to get it back. Let's see. Whoa. Okay, so that flares out. I want to see the direction of the spin. That's a nice effect on the camera there. Okay, so it spins this way, it makes sense. It grabs the air here. Now, let's see. By bending these back, that should solve a lot of... Oh. Maybe I can rotate it from this side. Okay, that's stronger now, but it has now been destabilized. I think it can get even stronger. This one, that's the edge, that's on the edge. Should be a little bit more stable now, I think. Let's see. Yep. Well, that was actually took a lot less time than I thought it would. These are bent way more. I mean, I really pulled on them way more than they were. And it's working now. So let's see, when I get to the top, I'm gonna eyeball some marks on the inside, so I can kind of approximate the angles. Okay, so that's there, and this one, when it's on top, this could be no. Yeah, I'd say that's enough. Let's see the alignment. Okay. Okay. And there's some hair in here on the axis. Really nasty stuff. That should be cleaned. And as usual, I don't have any tools around, which makes me remember I have to organize all these tools because somehow they ended up inside this bag. And I also bought a couple of toolboxes. Sorry, it's dark here. It's dark in here. And that's gonna be another video of me organizing the tools, probably this same evening. But next video and this was a poor choice. I need something to grab the hairs. Oh. I wonder if this is gonna destabilize the blades again. This is what you get for living with a woman. Basically everything is covered in a thick layer of long hairs. Everything. Everything. Okay, that's enough. I just vacuumed anyway. And these will go in the toilet, why not? Okay. Now let's do another test run to make sure everything works. I'll turn off the heat as well. That might actually, I don't know about the math behind this, if it's the same amount of energy, if the air being pulled is getting faster, because it cools the coil a lot more, and you get a lower temperature, but in the same time, oh, it gets hotter, you just need some time. Yeah, I think this is okay. I mean, but in the same time, you get a lower temperature, but in the same time, a larger mass of air being moved around. This thing is annoying. Okay. Let me eyeball again. Okay, this one. Okay. A really nice camera effect. And now I'm gonna turn it off. Nice. Now we gotta put the cover on and see how this behaves when it's enclosed, as it should be. With all the wires and everything hidden away. Okay. That says do not cover there. That's in my language. I have a flat screwdriver for Phillips screws because I like to riv rangerously. I don't even know what the hell that was. Last screw. It works. If it works, it works, and it's not a kind of thing you need too much force. That's done. Turn it on. And that vibrates a lot more. Dude. And now it's barely blowing. Did something happen when I screwed it in? It's not blowing as hard. I don't think it pushed the blades, because if it did that you would hear it. You would hear it just scraping against the cover. That sharp noise inside, it's what's pissing me off. They're not blade spinning. You see that rattling inside. If it was held better in place, not by much. Yes, but this grid greatly reduces the air intake. Oh, those are screws. I think that solved the noise. Yep. Not even putting this cap back on. But still, the amount of air it blows through here. You know what I'm tempted to do? To just cut the grid out. Like it's been broken here. And I'm gonna do that right now. With it turned off, obviously. Because I don't really have much to lose. Oh, what the hell? Come on, you're stronger than this. Don't think this is gonna be as easy as I thought, or is it? Okay, that just flew towards towards both of my screens. That's not good. Okay. That's how I destroyed one of my computer screens a while back. It was unbelievable. I just smashed one of these pliers to the ground. I was nervous because I couldn't unscrew a screw, and the bloody thing came back, bouncing from the floor into the keyboard, and then it bounced from the keyboard. Just think about how much energy it loses just by doing that. And from the keyboard, it bounced into the screen and punched a hole right through the screen. Yep, that's that was shot right through there. Anyway, this is gonna take some time. I'll be back when I'm finished. Yep, apparently this is all it takes, and now I turn it on, and it's something else. I can. It's still not as strong as with the cover taken off, but at least you can feel some air moving. Okay, that's it for now. I think I'll paint it too, because it kind of looks like crap, you know, these edges. I'm thinking maybe black, because it covers these cuts more. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Probably with the tools organizing, which is probably what I'm gonna do next. Thanks for watching. See ya.